Dear friends, in this video, I am going to talk about the ventricles. This is a short video and it is the continuous series of lectures of the heart, that is the anatomy of the heart. I have already discussed the auricles, now the ventricles. There are two ventricles, right and left, separated from each other with the help of interventricular septum. With the help of this diagram, I will mention here. So ventricle arises from a word that's called the venter. Venter means underside. So these are found on the bottom of the auricles. These are the two superior auricles and these are the ventral side ventricles. Then if we talk about the internally, ventricles have irregular surfaces on the inner side of both ventricles, crossbars of the flesh. Here also these are called crossbars of flesh are called trabeculae carne, means cross bars of flesh. With these, there are particular type of muscles are present here. I'll use the marker, another marker. That is the reason you can depict these kinds of the cells very easily. These are cone shaped cells. Here also I will mention on this left ventricle. These cells are called papillary muscles. They play a great role in valve functioning, because they are intern attached with Chordae tendinae. These are actually the collagen fibers. Here I'll mention with the help of this marker. These are Chordae tendinae are actually the string like structures. Here also string-like structure, which are these string-like structure are called the Chordae tendinae, which are on one side attached with the papillary muscles, on the other side attached with the valves, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve. So when the ventricles gets contracted with, understand, then what happens? The right ventricle flows the blood towards the pulmonary trunk into the lungs, while as through the left ventricle what happens? The blood goes into the main aorta by means of aortic semilunar valve. The strongest portion of the heart, that is the left ventricle, because this left ventricle provides or furnishes oxygenated blood, oxygen rich blood to all tissues of the body. So this was information regarding the ventricles. I hope that you get information regarding the ventricles, what these ventricles are and how they work in discharging the blood, because I have already mentioned that ventricles are also called the discharging chambers, discharging chambers of heart. So here I will also mention, here is a tricuspid valve, this is called tricuspid valve, and this is the bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. Or mitral valve. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you will subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends so that they can also get benefit from this video. Allah Hafiz.